Testing, testing, testing. Hello, guys, and welcome back. Today we are live trading on YouTube again. I am in PayPal calls as well as a Microsoft. We had a sudden drop during pre-market for today. SPY is breaking its level of support over here. Let's see what kind of happens the first 15 minutes. I'm going to be holding PayPal throughout the week. $60.80 is a nice level. The only thing that I'm worried about is Microsoft, but Microsoft is sitting right around this level of support. So again, this is our level for Microsoft. The first 15 minutes of the market are going to be crucial. So right here, Microsoft needs to hold this level as well as with PayPal. So PayPal is holding this level. PayPal is looking nice. I'm not worried about PayPal. Microsoft, I'm a little bit worried about now. The main thing that I'm worried about actually is SPY, because as we talked about on our weekly newsletter, if we break this level of support, which we have, then we have more room to the downside. Now, 468 is going to be a nice level for calls if we have more room to the downside. One thing that I also want to make it clear is that, again, I'm very, very long-term bullish on Bitcoin. I have $26,000 worth of Bitcoin, which I'm holding for long-term, okay, like 2 years, 3 years out. So I just want to make that clear. I bought some more Bitcoin over the weekend, around $4,000 worth of Bitcoin, especially since we're breaking this out. So, again, this is a long-term position. This is my biggest position. But okay, we gotta watch Microsoft and PayPal. So PayPal is looking nice, but Microsoft is not. Now, Microsoft is not looking nice, but we need to close below for it to hit our stop loss, because we haven't closed below right here yet. So the first 15 minutes are going to be very, very crucial for the market. So we can see that Microsoft is kind of breaking this level right here, but we can also wick out today. Let's take a look at SPY. We're kind of hanging in there for SPY, but mostly I actually want to sell out and get out of my PayPal position today. So let's see how much. If we can get a 2% mover on PayPal, I want to be out of PayPal today. So if we can see that bounce and then price target $63, our next level of resistance, that's going to look nice. I'm going to quickly send a alert on Discord that I'm streaming live on Discord. So Rivian is down. Netflix is down. LLY. I'm also watching Pen to buy calls at the level of support. Tesla. So it looks like everything is breaking support, but again, the daily candle has not closed yet. We still in Microsoft or not? I'm still in Microsoft. The daily candle has not closed yet for the overall market. If Microsoft is a red play, SPY is going to be the play to make it off for the Microsoft loss. Because the next main play that I'm looking at is SPY calls. If the market drops, if the market keeps dropping, then then SPY calls is going to be the next thing. So let's go to, I'm going to quickly send out a alert on the Discords. Live streaming. Where's the live? Copy this. Let's go back to Discord. Okay. How do you think about the crypto market? I'm overall bullish crypto long term, like 1 year out, 2 years out. I'm in it for the long term play. So I'm thinking like all time highs by the end of the year, 2024. So Microsoft does not look good here as we are breaking this level of support for Microsoft. But again, the daily candle has not closed yet, so we can get like a wick to the upside. I want to get out of PayPal today. So we can see on the 5 minutes we are respecting the $60.82 is a very critical level for PayPal. So we are holding this level right now for PayPal. I want to get out of PayPal because of the expiration that we have. We have a weekly expiration. This is Microsoft. Okay, let's take a look at because our bottom four SPY is $468. That is where we want to buy in calls for the SPY. So I'm looking at calls at $468 for the SPY. So if the market does drop and we get this massive red candle, I want to buy in calls right at the level of support. This is our critical level for SPY. Because if we end up taking a loss on Microsoft, I want to make those loss off of the SPY calls. Pen. Rivian had a massive drop today, but pretty much the whole market gapped down pre-market. Yeah, BA puts look nice. BA puts are looking good. So the next main play, SPY calls at 468. Okay, PayPal does not look good here. I'm taking a look at my contract right now. Because if we don't close above, it's going to look pretty ugly. Yeah, PayPal is not looking good. I'm down 40% on my calls for PayPal. And we have this week expiration, so I can't. Yeah, it's not looking good. We're breaking the support on the 5 minute. So the strategy, if I sell out, if I take a loss on PayPal, because we haven't still closed below on the daily time frame, so we can for sure wick out. If I were to sell my position for PayPal, then I would wait on SPY. SPY would be the next big play. So what I could right now do is sell off my position for both Microsoft and PayPal, and then wait for the market to drop, and then buy SPY calls. Okay, I think I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm still holding Microsoft. Microsoft bear flagging right here. Yeah, if we don't hold this level, it's going to look very ugly for PayPal. So I'm thinking about selling my Microsoft and PayPal for a loss, and then wait the market out and wait for the SPY to drop to 468. And then we can play the bounce at $468. So that's what I'm kind of thinking right now. Because if we pull back, this is going to be our area to play calls off of. So I was out of XPV a while ago. It should still be up. Kind of flagging here. Microsoft down 1.7%. What level can BA go down? We have one here, and then we have one at 251. So Microsoft, yeah, I'm down on. I still only got one contract for Microsoft, so I'm comfortable taking that $400 loss for Microsoft, but SPY has to be the next play. Let's take a look at PayPal. PayPal's hanging in there on the support on the 5-minute. So the strategy with Microsoft is if we do take a loss on Microsoft, and then I'm going to be playing the SPY calls at the support, because we can also wick all the way to the upside. So we can come back up to 375 before the market closes. It's for sure a possibility. But yeah, SPY looks very bearish here. More room to the downside. Microsoft, yeah, we're waiting on close for Microsoft, because the daily candle has not closed yet, so we still have time for it to go to the upside. But if it closes like this, then no, it's not. It's a pretty bad play. Let's take a look at SPY. Netflix had a massive drop. Pretty much the whole market is red right now. XPV, Tesla. Tesla is holding the support. Tesla and PayPal look very, very similar. So I don't want to sell my position for PayPal. But for Microsoft, I'm just watching. So yeah, we're still holding Microsoft, and I'm still holding PayPal. PayPal on the small account challenge. And then Microsoft, I got just one call. Just one call on Microsoft. PayPal looks decent. Okay. So let's take a look at the 5-minute. It's a falling knife for Microsoft. We just need to be above 373 before we close on the daily time frame. Like this. What about XPV? Yeah, it's just trading sideways. Stop loss below $13.35. Let's take a look at PayPal. If PayPal flags here, it's not gonna look good. So we gotta hold this support. Because we do have room to the downside for the SPY. That is my main concern. If we take a look at SPY, we have room to the downside. 467. So we're in like the put area, like shorting the market right now. And then this is the area I want to buy in calls at. Microsoft. Can you check TTT, please? Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of rejecting here. It has a nice support at $68 for TTD. Microsoft being brutal right now. So let's see if we... Are we going to trade like this? If we break this level of support, we're going to trade like this for Microsoft. And then I'll have to average down here. Then it's going to trade like SPY and PayPal. Any news for the market drop today? I'm not too sure on. I was trying to look during pre-market, but I know Apple stock got a downgrade during pre-market. So SPY calls at 468, and then averaging down on Microsoft at $366. Okay, these are the two plays. Averaging down on Microsoft, PayPal as long as if we hold this play, and then SPY 468 calls. So for Microsoft, I want to average down at $366. Because I only had one contract, as I mentioned on the Discord. Consolidating here. So I want to buy Microsoft calls at $366 right here. Where is my... Okay. Right here. This is going to be the average down position. I'm going to only average down one contract, weekly expiration. Did you sell the Microsoft call? No. I'm still holding that Microsoft call. I'm going to average down at the support. Yeah, we're down brutally on Microsoft and PayPal. And PayPal was a small account challenge, but we're holding strong. We're holding decent. Yeah. Yeah, for Microsoft, again, I kept mentioning that I only got one contract because I want to buy in at the support right here, and only two contracts. If I buy in again, that's going to be my second contract. But this would be the perfect entry for Microsoft, especially whenever we're playing a breakout. We got to keep in mind of our average down position because we can always come back to the level of support. RTX pushing today. Yeah, RTX is up 1.3%. Wow. Can you look into Costco levels? $641 for Costco. Yeah, I'm thinking at the same expiration for Microsoft, weekly expiration. Are you averaging down on Microsoft for the small account challenge? I did not buy into Microsoft on the small account challenge. Um, but I'm taking a look at a play for the small account challenge on Microsoft at the level of support. Because we have $500 in PayPal, and I have not bought into Microsoft yet. Where's my phone? Taking a look at the small account challenge right now. So I'd buy weekly calls for the small account challenge right here at the level of support. Okay, but one thing that we have to be concerned about, let's go to Sunday Stock Talk. One thing we have to be concerned about is what's happening tomorrow on Wednesday. We have the FOMC meeting minutes. So that's the only thing that I'm concerned about. So Microsoft is coming down. I want to buy in a call right at the level of support. Right here. $365. Let's take a look at... Wow, Apple is down brutally. Microsoft is so close. We're so close. Let's take a look at PayPal on 5 minutes. It's hanging right here. Yeah, Microsoft looks amazing. These two levels are looking really nice. This would be like the perfect entry, playing the bounce, and the RSI also looks good. So if we take a look at the RSI, we have the support right here. PayPal consolidating. We're almost at the level of support. $5.29. Okay, I'm taking a look. I'm hovering over the Microsoft contract. The question is, do we buy a this week expiration call or a next week expiration? I think the Apple stock downgrade is like what brought the overall. What is the expiration for Microsoft? I'm thinking about next week expiration. But before I enter Microsoft, because we have to be aware that SPY has more room to the downside. Yeah, I think next week does make more sense. But if we grab this week expiration, we can get candles like these where we get a quick bounce. But yeah, I think next week expiration would be, especially for the small account challenge. PayPal needs to close above $60.82. But before we enter into Microsoft, we have to be aware of SPY. Because again, one thing to keep in mind is even if the Microsoft chart looks good, we have to take a look at every other stock. We can see that SPY is down and pretty much the whole market is down. So even if we have like a really good setup on like PayPal or Microsoft, we have to take a look at the overall market because we follow the overall market. Where's Bank of America? If Bank of America gets this bounce, it's gonna look like that. And then keep in mind on Wednesday we have the FOMC meeting minutes. How far can Netflix go? Let's take a look at Netflix. Netflix had this small gap, so that's kind of the level of support right here. This gap. But then we have another gap down below. So Microsoft, PayPal, SPY, and then Macy's. I got another Microsoft at 367. Yeah, this support is really nice. Average down area. Especially the RSI. Like this is the perfect buy for Microsoft. And then the stop loss is going to be the close below because if you close below that, then that's PayPal actually looking decent on the 5-minute. We're actually looking really good for PayPal. Okay. Where is my... If we can get a bounce like this, like these candlesticks, that would be nice. Let's take a look at LLI, Bank of America. Tesla and PayPal look identical. So Tesla, we have the bounce, and then PayPal, we have the bounce. PayPal price target $62 or $63. Hopefully getting out by tomorrow. Yeah, average down on Microsoft. Taking a look at the contract. I'm just going to buy one more. Just one so I'm just going to hold only 2 contracts. The max that I have in this play is 1,000. Like only 10% of my account. That's it. I'm not risking anymore. Okay. Buy to open Microsoft. 367.5 call. Next week for Microsoft. We got one this week expiration and one next week. So buy to open Microsoft. Okay, average down on Microsoft. Check and phase. So end phase had that ascending triangle. Yeah, it looks like PayPal, Microsoft. How is BLNK? Let's take a look at BLNK. It's looking decent. We're holding off this level of support. Again, have that stop loss at break even or close below on the level of support. It's looking decent as long as if we hold this level of support. And then I'm also watching Macy's. Okay, we're also watching Macy's on the daily time frame. This is going to be the third play. But just keep in mind of the FOMC meeting minutes that we have tomorrow, so expect some volatility. That is why I got next week expiration for Microsoft. Strike price is at the money. At the money. So I got 367.5. But yeah, at the money. Yeah, I'm loving Microsoft because we're buying at the level of support. Boom. Same with PayPal, we're buying at the level of support. And for SPY, we haven't hit support yet. Support is 468 for SPY. And then I'm watching Macy's. Okay, Macy's looks incredible. these are the top 3 plays for this week: PayPal, Microsoft, and Macy's stock. Yeah, just one call. Risk management is everything. I only got 2 contracts now. And I have a $10,000 account for my options, and I put 1,000 into each play. So only 10% of your account into one play. Because if this play goes red, we lose 100%. Then we have, Macy's or some other play or Microsoft. See how's Bitcoin doing. This week is going to be interesting for Bitcoin, if we get the ETF approval or not. I personally hope Bitcoin keeps trading sideways or even keeps going down so that I can accumulate more, because I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin long term. PayPal, Microsoft. So take a let's take a look at crypto stocks. If you have not already, make sure to leave a like. We got 56 people watching live right now and only 10 likes. Macy's is the next play that I am taking a look at. I want to grab next week expiration. So Microsoft looks good. PayPal needs to be above $61. We need to enter in over here. But overall, like, everything looks good from like 2 weeks out. So as long as if we hold, today and tomorrow, then we are going to look good. So as long as if you have time on your contracts, you're looking pretty good. Microsoft, PayPal. PayPal is looking a lot better right here. Please take a look at plug and CF. Kind of have this triangle set up. We have this gap to the upside. CF very unclear. The price action is a little bit weird. Give some profit and you'll get likes. Yeah, PayPal and Microsoft are going to be paying well. Once we close above, they're looking good. We're looking really good. We just need more time. The technical analysis aspect is good. The hard part and the tough part is timing it. So actually timing that, and that's really the hard part, especially with options, because you're expected to like exactly time your buy and sell alert, and not only that, then you got theta. So even if the stock trades sideways, we're losing. So that's the risky part. Actually timing it. So we got in at the level of support. I think we're gonna be looking good 1 week out. Yeah, I think Microsoft is gonna pay or at least break even if we hit 376. But Microsoft and PayPal are looking good. And if PayPal and Microsoft, or if the overall market does go south, again, I want to buy in calls right at 468. Right here. Let's take a look at 5 minute. $63. I'm already in PayPal. For the small account, if you're in the Discord, the small account is in PayPal. We're down right now 30% on our PayPal call. I put $500 of the small account on PayPal. The Microsoft Play is not in the small account. It's just my regular account. But for the small account challenge, I just do one play at a time. Because, again, the risk management strategy is completely different on the small account. I'm still holding PayPal. I'm down 27% on PayPal, but I'm still holding it. Check the small account challenge channel on the Discord. Nah, I'm still holding. I'm still holding PayPal. Yeah. I alert the buy and sell alerts on Discord. Um, on the Fire Cycle Discord. Let's take a look at 5 minute. We're having this potential breakout for PayPal on the 5 minute. My price target again is $63. That's going to be around a 40% gain, 30% gain, depending upon the theta aspect. But if we hit $63 tomorrow, I'm going to be all out of PayPal. I only got $452 in PayPal. What's your PayPal option? I got. Let me check right now. Small account challenge. It is 61 call this week expiration. My average is $149. PayPal and Microsoft. Two plays. I think we're looking good. I think we're looking good. As long as if we got time. Microsoft is far superior than the PayPal play. So if you have a tough option on deciding what play, Microsoft looks a lot better. 61 strike price. Rivian is down 9% today. Yeah, so Microsoft looks good. Really good, really good. PayPal is looking good right now on the daily time frame, but again, it's too early to call. It's always too early to call until we close above the level. RTX had a nice pop. This candlestick is looking bullish, but again, way too early to call. We can always, dump throughout the day during lunchtime or before market closes. So okay, let me see. So on the Discord, again, we have multiple accounts on our Discord, okay? But again, the main key that I want to show you guys is I want to show you guys the long-term account because let's see if we have. So this is our long-term account on our Discord. Once you get access to it, there's like a $20,000 to $100,000 account challenge. So we just have this one position, and this account is easily gonna hit $100,000 by 2025 May. So this is like where the just our long-term chill play. If PayPal does hit $62, our small account is going to be up 100%, from $1,000 to $2,000. Looking pretty good. So what I'm going to do right now is it's been, how long have we been 52 minutes. Let's take a look at SPY on the 5-minute. I only got $500 in PayPal. Only 500. 4 contracts. And for Microsoft, I got two. Because what I do is I put $500 to $1,000 into each of my options play, and then my options account only is only $10,000. So I put 10% into each play. So that means we got 10 plays to do to not blow the account up. So as long as if we are winning more than we are losing, we're doing good. We're doing amazing. So most of the times, again, historically, if you take a look at my channel, all of my plays that I learned on Discord, we're doing really good. The last loss we had was on GameStop. Because PayPal and Macy's was a break even. We got out at break even. And the Microsoft I averaged down. PayPal I'm down right now, but it's going to be up. By tomorrow, I think we're going to see a nice bounce. We're going to hit the level of resistance, and it will be up like 40-50%. Same with Microsoft. Especially with Microsoft. I mean, if you got in right at the level of support, tomorrow we can see a candle like this or like this. You know, a bounce like that. PayPal is green on the day. Looking really good right now. PayPal and Tesla have like the same setup on the daily time frame. But yeah, we're looking good. You know, as long as if we're not bringing in emotions, we're looking good. We gotta follow and trust the chart. Trust the chart. Let's close this out. Yeah, once we make our profits on PayPal and Microsoft, you guys have to leave a like tomorrow, because I will be going live tomorrow at market open. So make sure to subscribe with the notifications on, because I'll be up right at market open tomorrow and the rest of the week. This might be the last week though, then I'll be on vacation. Microsoft getting that bounce. Nvidia. The thing about Nvidia is it's too expensive. Like I'm loving Nvidia here, but it's just that the options contract are so expensive, and I don't want to go over my limit. I don't want to put more than 10% of my account into a play. So I'll have to pass on Nvidia. Or I could do a call debit spread. Let's take a look at FinViz. Wow, healthcare is killing it right now. Again, a perfect example of market or sector rotation. You know, tech is getting brutalized right now, but oil is green. We had some news on oil, and then healthcare is killing it. Pfizer up 3.46%. Yeah, so I think this is really it. So I'm going to do a quick recap because I think I'm going to end the stream right here. But I'm holding Microsoft calls. We got in at the level of support. On one Microsoft, we're down over 70%. But on another Microsoft call, I just got in. So we should be break even when we do bounce on Microsoft. And then I got into PayPal calls, which I was already in from last week. This week expiration, price target $63. I think we should see a nice bounce into tomorrow. But for Microsoft, we've got next week expiration. So that's gonna look very nice and pretty good. But PayPal and Microsoft are the two plays. I'll be going live right at the market open, and I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord. So hope you guys enjoyed this live stream, and I'll keep you guys updated. And if you have not already, make sure to join the Discord. I'll leave that right now on the chat. So where's the live stream? Here's the Discord, but I'll see you guys tomorrow at market open. Have a great day, and